And now, we'll place Luigi in a hypnotic trance. Here we go. He is now in a deep hypnotic state, like Iowa. Completely under. Now, concentrate on your card. Concentrate. Think of the card. All right, Luigi, look him over. Find your card. Find. Right there, so quickly. Yes, he likes that one right there. What is your card? You forgot. On television. Let's ask the audience. What was the card? You want to go with the audience or you're 50-50? Two of clubs, and look at that, Luigi picked the 8 of diamonds. Pretty close. It's a bird.